Installation of a unitized door and frame system. The first thing we check when we make a unitized door and frame installation is the opening. You have to be sure that your frame and door will fit neatly. We have to measure each section of our frame's width. Now we measure the opening's width to make sure we have enough space to fit the frame and the door properly. According to our measurements, we have enough space to level the frame. Also, we have to make sure that our headers and walls are level. If the wall and the opening are not correctly level, then you're going to have a problem with your installation. Also, we measure the height. And now we do the same with the opening. Now we are certain the framework will work and will fit properly. We're going to place the door in the opening. The straps are the last thing you should cut off. Otherwise, there's a risk that our frame and door fall down at the time of installation. We're going to start the shimming process. We must place the frame in the center of the opening, having equal gaps on each side. Of course, the frame will not be completely level, but it always is to make minor adjustments in the leveling process. Next step is to level the frame header. In this case, we see that the side on the left needs to go up. We always try not to put shims on the bottom because that is where all the weight of the door lies. However, in this case we must. What we're going to do is to raise the left side up and put shims on it. After this operation, we use our level and check again, and we repeat this operation until our header is completely leveled. Now, we are going to level both sides of the frame. Depending on the conditions of the level is the number of the shims we use, and we put them closer where screws go. With the shims in place, we proceed with the screws. We have to be sure that the holes are drilled all the way through, so the installer can easily assemble the frame to the wall without any concern about damaging the door. You have to consider that this is not the typical metal door. This is a nice glossy finished door, and we have to be careful not to scratch or dent it, because it would take a lot of time to repair it. So basically, this is the installation of a unitized door and frame system. Now you can cut off the straps and your door is installed and ready to use.